Take a ride in the 2025 Bronco. Ford Bronco. Interior comfort, traction abilities, overall weight balancing, pulling power. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.